Let's get started with this series. When you are starting up with this series, and you can see when you switch on the printer, Wi-Fi lights blinking. That means it is in the setup mode, but once you touch it, it exits the setup mode. Now it will be impossible to connect it through the smart app or any phone. So just let's get started with how to reset it. First of all, you need to see this clamp where you can open and see the ink access. This is the ink access door where you need to open. Alright, so you need to open it like this. Once it is open, unless the ink set down, and then you press the I button, let all the lights glows up. Once everything is glows up, you need to press and hold the I and the cross button together until you see the 0 on the screen goes up and the Wi-Fi light blinks once, and then you can close all this door. Now you can see all the light will blink up for a brief second, and then it will see it is loading. Now it is actually doing the reset, and this you can see now the Wi-Fi light starts blinking. That means it is in the reset mode. So now you need to turn off the printer, and after 5 to 10 seconds turn it back on. Once it is on, you can see the Wi-Fi light blinks. That means it is in the setup mode again. Now you can again connect with your any HP smart app. Thank you for watching. Comment, subscribe for more videos like this.